Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 84 divided by 28 is equal to 3. Then 84 multiplied 28 is equal to 2352. Okay, so now 3 divided by 2352. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and 2352 divided by 3 is equal to 784. So the answer is 1 upon 784. But this answer is not correct. This answer is complete wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is one division, here is one division, and here is multiplication. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 84 divided 28 is equal to 3. Divide 84 multiply 28. Okay. Now 3 divided by 84 can be written as 3 upon 84 multiply 28. Okay. So now 3 multiply 28 is equal to 84 divided by 84. So now 84 divided by 84 is equal to 1. So the correct answer is 1. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.